Namaste everyone. From area of circle, let us discuss few problems. And the first one is the diameters of two silver dishes are in the ratio 2:3. What will be the ratio of their areas? Let us see the solution part. We are given that ratio of diameters is equals to 2:3. If ratio is given, we have to suppose common factor. So let common factor equals to x. These are two diameters. So let first diameter will be 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x, and then second diameter will be 3 multiplied by x equals to 3x. Means d1 is equal to 2x. Therefore r1 means first radius will be d1 upon 2, which is equals to 2x upon 2, which will be equals to x. And second radius will be r2, that is d2 upon 2, will be equals to 3x upon 2. Now we have to find out their areas. So area of first disc. Because two discs are there, so area of first disc will be pi r1 square, because r1 is the radius of first disc. So here r1 is x, so you can write pi x square. Now let us see the area of second disc. So area of second disc will be equal to, here the radius is r2, so it is pi r2 square, which will be equals to, r2 is 3x upon 2, so it will be pi multiplied by 3x upon 2 whole square. Simplify it, pi as it is, multiply by 3 square, 9, x square as it is, upon 2 square is 4. This will be equals to 9 pi x square upon 4. Now we have to find out ratio of areas. So ratio of areas will be equals to, we know the area of first disc is pi x square whole upon the area of second disc is 9 pi x square upon 4. Now simplify it. This will be equals to pi x square as it is in the numerator. Take reciprocal of the denominator. It will be 4 upon 9 pi x square. 4 upon 9 pi x square. So x square is cancelled with x square and pi is cancelled with pi, and the ratio will be 4 upon 9, which can be written as 4:9. Let us see the second question. If the perimeter of a semicircular park is 72 meter, find its area and radius. Let us see the solution. We are given a semicircular park. Semicircular means half circular park. It is question number 6 of your book. So in this semicircular park, O is the center and R is the radius. Now let us see what is given in the question. We are given that perimeter of semicircle is equals to 72 meter. Perimeter of semicircular park is given equals to 72 meter. Now what will be the perimeter of this semicircle? We know that the perimeter will be total length of boundary. So first of all, we must know the length of semicircular part. We know that circumference of circle is 2 pi r, but here it is half only. So half of 2 pi r will be the length of circular boundary. And remaining we have 2 radii. So the perimeter will be equals to pi r, that is the circular part, plus first radius plus second radius is equals to 72 meter. Now simplify it. Remember, this is little different question, so if you are committing mistake in this step, it will be difficult to solve. So pi means 22 upon 7 r plus r is equals to 2r will be equal to 72. Take LCM of denominator will be 7, then 7 1 ja 7, 22 1 ja 22, plus 1 7 ja 7 and 7 2 ja 14. R is equals to 72 meter. And this will be equals to 22 plus 14 is 36 r in the numerator, and take denominator to the right side, so it will go in multiply. So right side will be 72 multiplied by 7. Then radius will be equals to 72 multiplied by 7 whole upon 36. So we know that 36 1 ja 36, 36 2 ja 72. So the radius will be 2 7 ja 14 meter. Now we have to find out area also. So area of circle is pi r square, but here it is half circle, so area will be half multiplied by pi r square. Half multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 14 now, so 14 square. It is half multiplied by 22 upon 7 and 14 square means 14 multiplied by 14. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 and 14 into 22 will be equals to 308 meter square is the required area. The next one is, if a wire of 440 meter length is molded in the form of a circle and a square turn by turn, find the ratio of the area of the circle to that of the square. So let us see the solution. A wire is there whose length is 440 meter. Means the length will be circumference of the circle. So this is the circular form where the length of boundary is the length of wire. Therefore circumference is given equals to 440 meter. We know if radius is r, circumference of circle will be 2 pi r is given equals to 440 meter. 2 pi means 22 upon 7 and multiply by r is equals to 440 meter. Now 22 2 are 44 upon 7 multiplied by r equals to 440. Now we have to find out r. So take 7 to the right side, will go in multiply and bring 44 to the right side, it will go in divide. So 44 tens are 440, so the radius will be 70 meter. Now let us find out the area. Therefore area of circle is pi r square, which is 22 upon 7 multiplied by 70 square. So 22 upon 7 multiply by 70 multiply by 70. 7 tens are 70 and 22 multiplied by 7 is 154. Therefore, the area of circle is 15,400 meter square. Now let us see the same wire when it is converted in the form of a square. The wire is same, means the length of wire, that is the length of boundary of the square, is same. So let us find out the area of square. The boundary is given 440 meter, means perimeter of square is equals to 440 meter. Perimeter equals to 440 meter. Then we know the perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 into side equals to 440. Take 4 to the right side and the side will be equals to 440 upon 4. 4 11s are 44. It is 110, means side of square will be 110 meter. Let us find out the area of square. We know the area of square is side multiplied by side. That is 110 multiplied by 110. This is equal to 12100 meter square. Now we need to find out the ratio of areas of circle to the square. So ratio equals to the area of circle is 15400 and the area of square is 12100. So two zeros are cancelled. Let us divide them by 11. 11 11s are 121 and 11 14s are 154. Therefore, the ratio is 14:11. This is our required answer. The next one is find the area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 meter. In this question, we are given a circle and a square is inscribed in it. Means the all corners of the square are touching the circumference of the circle, touching the boundary of the circle. If O is the center and ABCD is the square, then remember both diagonals, that is BD and AC, will intersect at O. We are given that radius of circle equals to 8 meter. If radius is 8 meter, OD, OB both are 8 meter, same OA and OC both are 8 meter. So here I am using a different method. First of all, let us see the diagonal length. So first diagonal is 8 plus 8 is equals to 16 meter. Same second diagonal is also 8 plus 8 equals to 16 meter. Remember, square is also a rhombus. When diagonals are given, you can use the formula, that is half into d1 into d2. So half into diagonal 1 is 16 and diagonal 2 is also 16. So 2 8 ja 16 and 16 8 ja 128. So 128 meter square is the area of square. Thank you and keep smiling.